This shader worked for Cycle and Eevee. Go to the corner, click on drag to the left to split a new window, click on this icon, Shader Editor. Hit N to move the menu away, New and rename your material. Go to Add, Texture, Wave Texture. Connect the wave texture to the base color. Hold Z and go to the render mode, numpad 0 to look through the camera view. Change the direction to diagonal. Scale to 3, distortion to 20, and the detail to 16. Shift A, Converter, Color Ramp. The dark colors are on the left side the band. The bright colors are on the right side the band. By click and drag on these markers, you can control the colors on the surface. Hit the plus button to add a new marker. This marker blends between the colors. Click here and choose any color that you want. Click on the plus button again to add a new marker by click and drag to the left. Now you have to play with these markers to have the final look. Go to the roughness, bring it down to make the material reflective. So guys, that's it. Have a nice day and peace out.